Alright, what we've done here is simulate a power down situation. So what I've done is I have a swing arm clamp and a load cell underneath, and I've pinched this bar and I've created a cantilever so that I can simulate a 500-pound load on this. So imagine if this whole thing were flipped around, the swing arm would be seeing a load right here. So you can see I disconnected, after I clamped it, I disconnected the air, and you can see here, and open atmosphere here. This has been this way for a week now. So the load cell, the charge amplifier, it's drifted up about 300 pounds over the week. So what I'm going to do is, we clamped it at 100 pounds, so it should be saying 400 when we take this load off. Alright, so let's give it a go. And it shows 400 pounds. So this clamp will continue to hold, I mean, in theory, indefinitely, but just, to prove the point, we got, a week with this load on it. Open atmosphere, simulating a power down situation. The wedges are locked in, so that's it.